Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view the list of accounts you have blocked on WhatsApp. I'll cover both Android and iPhone and mention a few signs if someone has blocked you. So let's jump in. At first, make sure you have downloaded the WhatsApp app from App Store or Google Play Store. Then open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. In Android, tap the three dots at the top right settings. In iPhone, tap the settings at the bottom right. Next, go to the account, privacy, blocked and contacts. Sometime labeled simply blocked. Here you will see the full list of phone numbers and names you have blocked on WhatsApp. Tap any contact in the list to see the option to unblock them. If you unblock, they can send you message again and see your profile info depending on your privacy settings. If you want to see who have blocked you but WhatsApp doesn't give a direct list of people who blocked you, but some signs someone may have blocked you include: you can't see their last seen or online status, their profile photo disappears, message and you seen only show one gray tick, and never send a second tick. These signs are not absolute proof because user can hide last seen or profile photo for privacy reasons. And that's it. Super quick. Now you know where to find block accounts on WhatsApp and what to look for if you think someone blocked you. If this helped, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.